Hello, I'm Sri from CBTU. CBTU presents a course on Big Data on Hadoop, Module Hadoop, Section Hadoop Install, Configure Java and SSH. As we have seen in the previous session, we need a stable Hadoop release and verify the integrity of the downloaded Hadoop release, and also have seen the prerequisites for operating system, requirement of Java and SSH. Java is required for Hadoop installation. It can be either OpenJDK or Sun Java. Recommended Java versions for Hadoop are at this URL. Java is the main prerequisite for Hadoop. Java is generally installed in all Linux systems. Check the Java install version with the command java -version. You will see the installed version of Java JDK and JRE version. If Java is not installed or require latest version, please watch Java installation in Linux and Windows session. These are the recommended Java versions for Hadoop. Configure Hadoop environment variables file. For our lab practice, we are using CentOS 7 and OpenJDK is installed by default in this. We're going to use that for Hadoop installation. You set Java home to the path of the OpenJDK and echo Java home. You run bin/hadoop from the root directory of Hadoop to see the Hadoop commands. If Java home is not configured, Hadoop will not start. You can set Hadoop environment variables to /rc and profile as required. By default, Hadoop is configured to run in a standalone, non-distributed mode as a single Java process. This is useful for debugging. Check if Hadoop is properly installed by typing bin/hadoop version from the root directory of Hadoop. If Java home is not configured, it doesn't show the version. Now we are ready to start our Hadoop cluster in standalone or pseudo distribution mode or fully distributed mode. When we format the HDFS and start the name node and data node, by default it will be shut down. To start, we will use sbin/startdfs shell script. If you cannot log into the local host without password, it gives permission denied error. We are going to configure SSH to log into localhost with authorized keys and without password. We are going to generate keys and we are going to copy id_rsa.pub to authorized keys and change the mode for that, and try SSH localhost. Let us take a demo. These are some of the commands that are useful for troubleshooting. These are some of the screenshots from the demo what has seen. We are generating public private RSA key pair with ssh-keygen. By default, it saves to this id_rsa and leave the blank for the passphrase. So identification file is saved to id_rsa and public key is saved to id_rsa.pub. This is the fingerprint. We will list the contents of SSH folder -LA for hidden files, and we are copying id underscore rsa.pub to authorized keys, and this authorized keys doesn't exist, so it created, so we are listing again the contents. Now try ssh localhost and it should log in without password. If you get error or stuck somewhere, erase the file known underscore host and regenerate the keys and it should work. Now we are all set with the prerequisites and ready to run Hadoop in few steps away. The next steps are start Hadoop name node and data nodes, and start DFS and access Hadoop by browser, and troubleshoot if any issues are there, and run Hadoop. Use stop DFS to stop all Hadoop daemons when the task is completed or the project ends. Thanks for watching.